subscribe, comment, like, and share. Shopboss TV production.
Yes, people. Shopboss TV again. Yeah, man. Shopboss TV production people again. People watch man, people. Another. Another. Gold fine down there. You understand what I say? People who don't know you have gold and you have full golds. But here I say people, gold fine down another people. You understand what I say? Right now, I know a lot of people are watch a program right now and line up to go down and another start dig down some place and they know say grandparents dead. It's a property where they know say grandparents have anything and dig for gold. You I say people, man. Young people, gold fine down another. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Listen to this, people. You know what I say? Think of it. The Chinese, that's why the Chinese, they want to buy out with land in our country. And our government, no, look into it. You understand what I say? Right? In the sell. Yeah, man. All the rivers. It's my say, because some of them are Carolina people. You have a fool's gold. People, listen to us, people. That's why China want Jamaica. That's why China buy out some place like all, you know, Blue Mountain Peak, where you see the coffee there. People, no, man, it's not all about coffee. Something there with them, no. People, something there with them, no. Enough for this, you know. Remember, you know. Yes, I say, gold, fine, down, another people. Yes, I say, and you see right now, when you notice, a lot of China are sneaking and a buy out certain place in Jamaica. Watch this, the police them are running people because it's like the government find out say yes. You see me saying sending boys them down there. You see me for guide, you know, for guard it off. You understand what I say, people? Because guess what? You don't know. You don't want the poor people who come and think and flood the place and come dig and find gold and get rich to like. You see what I say? The government don't want control, but when I say people, the Chinese them people, they know say Jamaica rich. So they are running and I buy out the property, they are buy out the land and Jamaica people. Yo, hear me say people, gold fine and another sound no say yo watch the government are running and sending them boys them and all these things. All that go on, man. You see what I say? So you'll see all these poor people, all the little people around in another at property, they want to try to dig and find enough when they can find and dig up and you know before the government run in. But you don't know, the government already taken all the police and will flood the place down there already. People, no Jamaican people, we must stand up and fight for our country. No outsiders and somebody come to the country come buy the property. You understand what I say? No Chinese, no come buy the property. You understand what I say? No people learn. Open their eyes and see what go on. Don't make them come take our property with rivers and all these things and we mountains and we land. You see what I say? Right? Government, stop sell out the land. Jamaica rich. Stop sell out the land to the Chinese and who's the private sector and all them people. Yo, Jamaica belongs to us. It's rich. Jamaica rich. I'll hide there. I want to know, man. I want to know, man. I want to. Yo, hear me say, miss. Hear me say, Mr. Government. I mean, say, you're Mr. Government, you know. Let me tell you something, man. Don't sell out no more property. Rich is there for Jamaica. Jamaica rich. People, big up on yourself, people. You hear that? Big up on yourself and stand up to what is right. And burn fire upon what is wrong. No outsiders to a thing. Yeah, man.
Come and see for your bag. Come and see back your bag.
I just say, hold the match. You control the match.
Alright, I package this real package.
Fully gold.
Bombok lah, tiba dia fuck.
Kau.
Yo, nossa. Gold mine.
Yes, people, again. Shop Boss TV production. This Rasta pasta. Rasta pasta. It's me I say, I'm telling some people, it's some boy we say have long hair but my Rasta. Them not Rasta no be people. Are pasta them you know. Yeah man. When him a do in a KFC but people, why him in a KFC? Him not supposed to in a KFC. Man should eat up some icon stew and all these things. The man get caught on camera in a KFC and plus jump the counter and go over the counter people. Jump the counter, go over the counter people. Yo, come on, man. Wait, him a doing a KFC people? Jump in KFC counter? Eh? No man, a Rasta pasta this. It's enough for a boy out there wearing and I talk about a Rasta. Eh? Eh? Yo, the real Rasta they will come together and hold them down and shame on them. You hear that? You see me? On a fake. Yeah man. What you do? We don't know. Why you doing a KFC by the way? Eh? Why? No. Why the reason why you're in a KFC and have this long tall Rasta ear by your head? Eh? Eh? Unless you let down Rasta, you know? Unless you let down Rasta. For real. You see what I'm saying? And look at it. You're over the counter. Hey, yo, people, you know something, wall him and tilt him locks to time head. And a Rasta this. Him is not Rasta. A pasta this. Yes, man, I say? Yeah, man, people. Big up on yourself, man, and thing and tune into Catch+Rasta TV. Production, people. Yeah, man, the thing excited, man. I love it. Big up on yourself, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, real Rasta out there. No disrespect to no real Rasta out there. No disrespect to no. Yes, man, I say? But you see the boy them when say my Rasta and walk with long cutlass in them waist and thing and knife and thing there. You see me I say, yo people, burn them out people. Burn them out and real Rasta keep it and don't even come out and say something to you know. Yeah man. Don't even burn out them boy at all my Rasta and my pasta. You see me I say? Burn them out, sizzler. Come out sizzler and burn out them boy, them false Rasta. Yeah man, them boy make them look bad. Yeah man. Them boy make a real Rasta them look bad. Burn them out. Yeah man, strike them man, lightning, thunder. Man, Catch+Rasta TV production we say so. That's how we say. Burn them out, up, like heaven.
Calm down, father. No, say they stack. No, they stack, but who never?
Yes, people, Catch+Rasta TV again on this view. You understand what I say? Catch+Rasta TV production. You understand what I say, people? What you hear me say? Yes, people, I know this video is a good while long. We see a video like this pop up on social media. You understand what I say? Right? But you hear me say, people, I have something to say about that video. When I really believe why this girl, this lady, as she go out and Theif go out, I believe this lady get tricked. Yeah man, I believe this lady get tricked by meeting some people say sell goat, some person say sell goat I should said. Yeah man. And this lady get tricked. You understand what I say? Right? Somebody sell this lady the goat. You understand what I say? Right? I think we all, these people are judged this lady wrongfully. I think this lady getting judged wrongfully, people. You understand what I say? Look into it. Even the police are supposed to look into it. If one of them is a professional. You understand what I say? If the police is a professional, they should look into it and know this why something gone wrong or so. You understand what I say? Buy this lady, buy the goat from somebody. You understand what I say? Who claim to say a freedom goat. Which is them a thief other people goat and bring come sell her. You understand what I say? Yeah man. I believe so. People watch the video and observe. What have to say, people? Somebody stole his goat and sell it to this lady, right? I don't think of this lady. I don't think she go on this. No, I don't think she the person who steal his goat or who thief it or whatever. Nah, man. Somebody sell the thief the goat and sell this lady. You hear me say? Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man, look into it. Hot girl, Come on, man. The girl look hot, you don't see that? Eh? No. No. Somebody thief the goat them and come sell this lady. You hear that? Yeah, man. Some of your people, me tell you something. There's two sides to a story, you know. You understand what I say? It just only one side to a story, people. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. For real. Big up yourself, Jamaican people. You hear what I say? Big up yourself. Or look into a thing where I say. Just look into it, people. And she thief the goat. Somebody thief the goat and organize this slave come pick up the goat and sell the goat to the lady and she come pick up the goat. You hear what I say? Yeah, man. Straight so. Yeah, man. Catch+Rasta TV production people up top like Evan. Knockings.
Goat miss man. What are them thief for me? No, you man a thief goat. You want me to go to that blood clot? No, but you man a feel bad when them a sick. Them a sick, I'm a friend now. Money account, money and rob them.